Akbar. Akbar, also known as Akbar the Great, was the third Mughal Emperor of India. He ruled from 1556 to 1605 and is considered one of the greatest and most influential rulers in Indian history. Akbar was the son of Humayun and the grandson of the Mughal Empire's founder, Babur. Here are some key points about Akbar. Early life and ascension. Akbar was born in 1542 and became the Mughal emperor at the age of 13, following the death of his father, Humayun. As a child, Akbar faced numerous challenges, including regents vying for power on his behalf. However, he gradually gained control and established his authority. Policies of religious tolerance and integration. Akbar is renowned for his policy of religious tolerance and integration. He sought to create a sense of unity among his diverse subjects, who followed various religions, including Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, and Jainism. Akbar abolished the discriminatory jizya tax on non-Muslims, encouraged interfaith dialogues, and established a new syncretic faith called Din-i-Ilahi, which blended elements of different religions. Military campaigns and expansion. Akbar pursued a policy of territorial expansion and conducted numerous military campaigns to consolidate and extend Mughal rule. His forces conquered significant territories, including Gujarat, Bengal, and parts of Rajasthan. Akbar implemented effective administrative and revenue systems to ensure the smooth governance of his vast empire. Administrative reforms. Akbar is known for his administrative and bureaucratic reforms. He established a centralized system of governance, dividing the empire into provinces known as subas, each headed by a governor known as a subedar. Akbar implemented land revenue reforms, known as the Todar Mal Bandobast, which improved revenue collection and reduced corruption. Patronage of art and culture. Akbar was a great patron of the arts and culture. His court attracted renowned poets, scholars, musicians, and artists. Akbar encouraged the development of Mughal painting, which flourished under his reign and blended Persian and Indian artistic traditions. The illustrated manuscript, Akbarnama, chronicles his life and achievements. Legacy and influence. Akbar's reign is considered a high point of Mughal power and cultural achievement. His policies of religious tolerance, administrative reforms, and patronage of the arts left a lasting impact on the Mughal Empire and Indian society. Akbar's system of governance served as a model for later Mughal emperors and influenced subsequent Indian rulers. Akbar's reign is regarded as a remarkable period of innovation, cultural synthesis, and enlightened governance. His policies of religious tolerance, administrative reforms, and emphasis on cultural integration set him apart as one of the most visionary and progressive rulers in Indian history.